Jai Srimanarayana. Fourth sloka of sixth chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yada hi cha indriyardheshu na karmasu अनुषज्जते सर्वसंकल्प सन्यासी योगारूढ़ः तदोच्यते। ओम। Until you start experiencing the sublime bliss of yourself, that is Atma Tattva, keep on doing your prescribed duties perfectly. Once you start enjoying yourself, experiencing the bliss of Atma Tattva, you will no longer delude by the senses in relation with such sense objects. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam saranam vraja." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on performing my activities perfectly until I start experiencing my Atma Tattva. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall act according to your word. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana." Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I realize that I shall always remember that Rajogunam is the source for all sensual enjoyments, and I shall definitely keep on trying to see that Sattvagunam is dominated and Rajogunam is suppressed in me. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam. Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam. Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಂ ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Santana has such a great ability by which if he touches anyone, they will become so young. And because of that, Santim apnoti chayeva agriyam karmana tena santanuhu. Just by touching with his hands, Santana was able to give peace of mind to so many people. With all that, he became Santana. His name became Santana. Anyway, one of those days, Santana's kingdom has no rain for 12 years. Then Santana inquired with Brahmanas. Then Brahmanas said, O Santana, your brother, elder brother is still living. And while he is existing, you are enjoying this kingdom. That is why you got tainted with some dosham. Because of that, the rains are not there in this kingdom. Now you go and ask your brother to take up this kingdom. Then Santana went into forest to ask his brother Devapi. But even before all this happened, Santana's minister made Devapi not eligible to take up the kingdom. How? He made Devapi transgress all the rules of Vedas. Because of that, Devapi became ineligible to take up the kingdom. That is why he did not take up, and again Santana ended up ruling the kingdom. With all this, Indra became so pleasant with Santana and blessed Santana's kingdom with rains. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 6th chapter, 4th sloka. Yada hi chendriya ardheshu na karmasvanushajyate sarva sankalpa sannyasi yoga rudhastadochyate. Yada hi chendriya ardheshu na karmasvanushajyate sarva sankalpa sannyasi yoga rudhastadochyate. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.